Business as usual at our island ports all year round. Business overload at this time of year. Personal barrels, parcels and commercial imports of all kinds arrive in greater numbers in tandem with the lights and sounds heralding the Yuletide season. Getting those goods off the ports can be a long, frustrating process for some people. This year, not so much.
We intend to provide to our clients, especially being sensitive of the current economic climate, and the ability to turn their containers around as quickly as possible.
Automation systems have drastically reduced processing times at the wharves.
This daily stripping schedule is also available on our website, and you can, as Christmas comes, you'll be able to get stripping schedules for several days forward. So you can just go on the website, as I said, click on the link. One is called container charges, one is called stripping schedule. You just go and access your information, and you have updates throughout the day. So you know when your container is stripping, scheduled for stripping, ongoing inspection, etc.
A 2-hour turnaround time is offered for commercial containers. And there's the one-stop shop.
The one-stop shop actually is the environment in which we have regulators from almost all our agencies required for the import or export of materials, and we also have quite an extensive distribution of customs officers. KCT being the environment in which we deliver the largest number of domestic containers, will be facilitating our clients by extending our gates up until 6 p.m. as of this December 2nd. And with regard to our warehouse, we will also extend our warehouse times up to 7 p.m. if required.
Saturday openings may also be accommodated up to December 21.
We believe the Saturday opening gives our customers the convenience of the extra day without the pressure of having to get back to work to deliver cargo. When you're coming to Kingston Wharf, also remember that you will have to get your bill of lading from your freight forwarder. So if you're coming on Saturday and your broker or your freight forwarder is not open on Saturday, you would have to make arrangements to get those bill of ladings before.
The flat rate for clearing barrels containing personal effects is $6,500 per barrel. Technological systems are in place to quickly locate your barrels.
For our full container load customers, you can get your charges online. If you go to the Kingston Wharf website, which is www.kingstonwharfs.com.jm, there on the left-hand side of the homepage, you will see links for container charges. All you have to know is the reported date and your container number, and you'll get the full breakdown of your charges.
Full container load customers can also pay online through the Jamaica Customs e-payment service. As of 2014, that service will benefit barrel customers when Jamaica Customs rolls out its new IT system. For now, full container load customers also have access to a reservation system where they can collect containers up to 6 p.m. That's outside the regular 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. operating hours.
There is no additional charge for making those reservations or if you have to break those reservations.
Commercial importers can also take advantage of pre-clearance procedures. As for those going the normal route, here's the process. Pay your duties, go to a berth platform for the bill of lading. This plus your import entry form will be cross-checked with those forwarded by the shipping agent at the wharf's manifest counter. If the customs surveyor approves your import entry, a customs seal will be applied. You enter the port warehouse and indicate your import or imports to an accompanying custom officer. If all checks out, you're issued a gate pass and are now free to leave the berth platform and wharf with your goods in tow. To find out more, contact Jamaica Customs at 967-3288, Mondays to Fridays from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. or email jamaicacustoms.gov.jm.